In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create AI image ads. So the tool that we're going to use is Novoads AI. The link of this website is going to be in the comment section. Here, you need to create an account, and after that, you will arrive here. Here, we need to click where it says see more, and now we're going to use this tool, image to product ad. So now we have to click here where it says click and upload an image of our product that in this case is going to be a Pepsi. So now we have to click here. Now in text language, we're going to use English. And now I'm going to add some text. If you don't want a text, you can just put no, but let's put yes. Now we have to click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the ad, and as you can see, the quality is really good. So if you want to do an image like this one for your products, remember that you can try Novoads AI for just $1. So well, after saying that, if you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section and see you in the next video.